Hi dear friends, today I am going to explain to you. I having one washing machine. It is brand wise Panasonic front loader 7 kg washing machine. It's having problem while running time. It's when customer try to start the machine, within few minutes it's machine showing error code. It is H07. It is according to the customer. It's while spinning time, it's suddenly getting high speed and high it's taking high rpm. At that time machine moving here and there, and horrible noise also from the machine. This machine actually we have to replace the bearing also, but H07 mean it is a problem with the motor. I'm going to explain to you how to resolve the problem. This one most probably it's coming from the tacho generator. We have to replace the tacho generator. I'm going to show you how to replace the tacho generator, and after that it will be okay. Let's see, I will show you how to do that, how to replace the tacho generator. After that you can understand this is the problem. Actually I know the problem, and now we will go to the next step. Now I'm going to given the power connection to the machine. Now already I given power. Now I'm selecting direct spin. It's showing 800 rpm. I can increase up to 1000 rpm. Direct spin I select. Its display is showing remaining time 11 minutes. Now we will start the machine, and door already locked. Drain motor start. You can hear the noise. It is anyway bearing gone. We have to replace the bearing also. I told you before, this is the problem. See, this is anti-clockwise. I select the direct spin. Now 10 minutes remaining. Now it's showing H07. H07 is already showing. My customer informed to us, but he don't have any idea what is the error message. Now only I found the error message H07. We will check what is the exact problem. My motor, otherwise main control board. We will check what is the problem exact. Now I got the problem, actually H07, but customer never informed to us. This is the problem. Now we have to remove. This is related with the motor, otherwise main control board, but anyway we will remove the motor and we will check the tacho motor. This is normal motor. For this machine having normal motor, carbon brushes, conventional belt drive motor. This one not the DD or inverter. Because of that, nothing to worry. This is tacho generator. We have to check. If it is tacho generator, okay, we have to change the motor also. But anyway, we will remove the motor and we will check exactly what is the problem. Now I already took out the motor. This is tacho generator. We have to check this one. This is out of order Because of that, most probably this problem having generator not the same like DD motor Hall sensor. This one we will do something, we have to change this one. Now we can remove the, no need to cut wire, we can remove from the connector. This one is very easy. I'm using copper welding rod for that. Easy to take it out. It's lock inside. We have to release the lock, it will come up. One is came, other one also, it's coming like that. This is tacho generator. Now I'm going to replace another one. This is I'm suspecting this is defect. I having another one. This is I'm thinking this is new one. I'm going to fix this one and we will check the as same this one and this one. Now we have to check, after fixing we have to check the motor if it is same as before. It's increasing and decreasing RPM, and we will check. We will fix this one first. Now I'm going to fix the new one for the motor connector. Now it's okay. We have to lock the connector. Now it is okay. We will give the power connect to the machine and we will check again without fixing belt. Just we check simply motor giving connection. We can understand it taking high ampere or not. We will fix before as info, we fix the generator. Now I'm going to check motor. I will give the machine, we will give the wire connector in motor and we will start the machine. Now I select direct spin and we will check now. Before, when I'm giving power, start the machine, it's motor rotating with the high RPM and decreasing and increasing. Now it's not like that. Now drain motor is working continuously. I select here spin cycle 800 RPM. Now machine start. Now it's normally increasing RPM. Now it is okay. Perfect machine running. Our job already complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with again another video.